Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at a right angle. So we use this notation of perpendicular that's like an upside down capital T. So we would say that line M is perpendicular to line N. We could also say that the line AB is perpendicular to line BC. We could also rename these different lines. Line BA is the same as line AB, and it goes on. We can talk about a line being perpendicular to a plane. So if a line is perpendicular to a plane, then that means that every line that goes through that plane is perpendicular with that line. So in this example, line K is perpendicular to line AB. Line L is perpendicular to line AB. Line M is perpendicular to line AB. And that's because the plane alpha is perpendicular to line AB. We can also talk about planes being perpendicular. So if P is a point on a line AD, I'll highlight line AD here. Q is in plane alpha, so Q is this point here in plane alpha. And S is a point in plane beta. S is here on this plane. And then again, I apologize for the PowerPoint falling behind, but this should be a perpendicular symbol. Line PQ is perpendicular to AD. PQ is this line here. It's perpendicular to AB, so there should be a right angle between those two lines. And line PS is perpendicular to line AD, so there should be another right angle between those two lines. Then we say that QPS is also a right angle. If we have these two lines that are intersecting with line AD, or excuse me, we have 2 points in these two different planes intersecting with line AD at a 90-degree angle, then QPS is also a right angle. And since angle QPS measures 90 degrees, we say that these planes are perpendicular, the planes that Q and S came from. Last but not least, a dihedral angle. A dihedral angle is formed by the union of two half planes and the common line defining the half planes. So a dihedral angle is, if you think about having a piece of paper, it's like we have two half planes. So one half plane above, one half plane below, and then you have an edge. So this would be if this piece of paper extended infinitely to the other direction, then this would be a dihedral angle. It's measured by any of the associated planar angles, such as angle OPD, so this angle here, OPD, that would give us the measure of the dihedral angle between those two half planes. So PO and AC are perpendicular lines, and PD and AC are also perpendicular lines. That is all there is for today. So please let me know if you have any questions. I apologize again for the formatting, PowerPoint, translation errors, but if you have questions, always reach out, and good luck. Have a great week.